In this video, we are using power analysis software to monitor the SATEC EM235 PRO to identify a three-phase generating circuit, such as solar PV. We start by checking the communication configuration for the SATEC EM235 Power Analyzer. In this example, Ethernet TCP IP is utilised. Configure communications for your SATEC Power Analyzer using the default IP address. Use the Online button to toggle between online and offline mode. To identify the device we are working with, perform a right-click on the site and select Properties for asset information. By selecting Monitor and the Real-Time Dataset 2 for 1 second average measurements, RMS electrical values are displayed. Notice each of the active power readings is negative, indicating a generating circuit. Performing a real-time waveform capture turns power analysis software into a meter verifier with built-in oscilloscope functions. Use the vertical cursor as a measurement tool, focusing on each phase's voltage and current peaks in the waveform, and confirming phasor angles with the vector diagram. Each phase in this example shows current lagging the voltage by approximately 200 degrees. Using the polling icons, a single or continuous or stopping polling is possible. This concludes our brief video on using power analysis software for identifying and monitoring a three-phase generating circuit. For advanced training or advice, get in touch with SATEC to support your electrical metering installations.